Hello everyone, myself Apurva from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in the department CSE, and today the topic of my video presentation is curve fitting. So what is curve fitting? Curve fitting is the process of constructing a curve or mathematical function that has the best fit to a series of data points, possibly subject to constraints. Curve fitting can involve either interpolation, where an exact fit to the data is required, or smoothing, in which a smooth function is constructed that approximately fits the data. A related topic in regression analysis, which focuses more on questions of statistical inference, such as how much uncertainty is present in a curve that is fit to data observed with random errors. For linear algebraic analysis of data, fitting usually means trying to find a curve that minimizes the vertical y-axis displacement of a point from the curve. However, for graphical and image applications, geometric fitting seeks to provide the best visual fit, which usually means trying to minimize the orthogonal distance to the curve, or to otherwise include both axes of displacement of a point from the curve. Geometric fits are not popular because they usually require non-linear or iterative calculations, although they have the advantage of a more aesthetic and geometrically accurate result. Importance of curve fitting. There are many importances of curve fitting and why they are used. Some of them are listed below. Data analysis and interpretation. Curve fitting allows us to model and analyze complex data sets. It helps in understanding patterns, trends, and relationships present in the data, which can aid in making informed decisions. Prediction and forecasting. By fitting curves to historical data, we can develop predictive models for future trends and events. This is valuable in fields like finance, economics, weather forecasting, and sales prediction. Scientific research. In scientific research, curve fitting is crucial for interpreting experimental data and obtaining mathematical relationship between variables. It helps researchers formulate and validate hypotheses. Engineering application. Engineers use curve fitting to analyze experimental results, optimize designs, and model system behavior. It plays a vital role in fields such as signal processing, control systems, and optimization. Applications of curve fitting. Predictive modeling. Curve fitting is widely used for predictive modeling in fields like finance, economics, marketing, and weather forecasting. By fitting historical data to mathematical curves, predictive models can be built to forecast future trends and events. Engineering and design. Engineers use curve fitting to analyze experimental data and model system behaviors. It is crucial for designing and optimizing systems such as control system, electronic circuits, and mechanical components. Signal and image processing. In signal processing, curve fitting is employed to extract relevant information from noisy signals. In image processing, it helps approximate and represent shapes and patterns in images. Scientific research. Scientists often use curve fitting to interpret experimental data and establish mathematical relationships between variables. It plays a significant role in various scientific disciplines, including physics, chemistry, biology, and environmental science. Curve fitting equation. There are three main types of curve fitting equation. One for the straight line, two for the second degree parabola, and three for the geometric curve. The equation of curve fitting for a straight line is given by y is equals to ax plus b. And the equation of the second degree parabola is given by y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. The equation for the geometric curve is given by y is equals to ax power b. Now let's check out the problems on the straight line equation. By the method of least square fit, the curve of the form y is equals to ax plus b to the following data. The given data is x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and y is 14, 13, 9, 5, 2. Solution. The normal equation for fitting the curve y is equals to ax plus b is given by summation of y is equals to a into summation of x plus b into n, which will be considered as equation 1. Now by multiplying x into the equation 1, we get summation of x into y is equals to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. Now we are going to write the given x and y values in a table format and find the value of x square and x into y. So after finding those values, we are going to find the summation of all of that. And the summation values is summation of is equal to 15, summation of y is equal to 43, summation of x square is equals to 55, and summation of xy is equals to 97. Now by substituting all these values in equation 1 and 2, we are going to find the value of a and b. So now equation 1 is equal to summation of y is equals to a into summation of x plus b into n. And after substituting the summation values, we are going to get 43 is equals to 15a plus 5b. And equation 2 is equals to summation of x into y is equals to a into summation of x square plus b into n. B into n. On solving both the equations 1 and 2, we get a is equals to minus 3.2 and b is equals to 18.2. Hence, the straight line equation, which is y is equals to ax plus b, will be given by y is equals to minus 3.2a plus 18.2. Now let's go on to the problems on the second degree parabola. Now, the given question is fit a parabola in the form y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c to the following data. The given data is x is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and y is given as 1, 3, 7, 13, 21, and 31. Now, the normal equation associated with the second degree parabola is y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Now by adding summation for this equation, we get summation of y is equals to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x plus n into c. Now by multiplying x into the above equation, we get summation of x into y is equals to a into summation of x cube plus b into summation of x square plus c into summation of x. Now, by again multiplying another x into the above equation, we get summation of x square y is equals to a into summation of x power 4 plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x square. Now we are going to write down the given values of x and y in a table format and find the values of x square, x cube, x power 4, x into y, and x squared y. After writing down and solving, finding out all these values, we are going to find the summation of each and every value. Summation. So the summation of each and every value is summation of x is equals to 15, summation of y is equals to 76, summation of x square is equals to 55, summation of x cube is equals to 225, summation of x power 4 is equals to 979, summation of xy is equals to 295, and summation of x square y is equals to 1259. Now solving all these equations and solving the above equations by substituting the values we have found in them, we get uh, 55a plus 15b plus 6c is equals to 76, which is equation 1, and 225a plus 55b plus 15c is equals to 295, which will be equation 2. And 979a plus 225b plus 55c is equals to 1259, which will be equation 3. And on solving all these three equations, we are going to get a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, and c is equals to 1. So now by substituting the values of a, b, and c in the parabola equation y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, we get the value as y is equals to x square plus x plus 1. Now let us go to the last problem on the geometric curve. Fit the least square geometric curve y is equals to ax power b for the following data. The given data is x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the value of y are given as 0.5 to 4.5, 8, and 12.5. Now for the solution, consider y is equals to ax power b. Now by multiplying log to on both the sides, we get log y base e is equals to log a base e plus b into log x base e. Now by assigning the value of log y base e to capital Y and log a base e to capital A and log x base e to capital X, we get the equation as y capital Y is equals to capital A plus b into capital X. Now by adding summation, we get summation of y is equals to capital A into n plus b into summation of capital X. Now, by multiplying capital X into the above equation, we get summation of capital X into Y is equals to A into summation of X plus B into summation of X squared. Now, we are going to write down the given values of X and Y in a table format and find out the values of capital X, capital Y, capital X into capital Y, and capital X squared. Now, after finding out all those values, here we can't directly find the value of capital X and capital Y because we have assigned those values to log x base e. So we have to find out the log of the values of x and y to find out the values of capital X and capital Y. So after finding out the values of capital X and capital Y, we are going to find the summation of each and every value. So the summation values are given as summation of x is equals to 4.7874, summation of y is equals to 6.1092, summation of capital X into capital Y is equal to 9.0804, and the summation of x square is equals to 6.1993. Now in the equation, we know that by considering the equation summation of y is equals to an capital AN plus B into summation of capital X, we are going to substitute the values in that equation and we are going to get 6.1092 is equals to 5A plus 4.7874B, which will be equation 1. And summation, substituting the values in the equation, summation of capital X into Y is equals to capital A into summation of X plus B into summation of X square. We are going to get the equation as 9.0804 is equals to 4.7874 into capital A plus 6.1993B, which will be equation 2. Now, by substituting both equation 1 and 2, we are going to get capital A is equals to minus 0.69315 and capital B is equals to 2. Now we know that we have assigned the value of log A base E to capital A. So to find out the value of small a, we are going to put the value of capital A in the equation. A is equals to e power capital A. So after solving that equation, we are going to get A is equals to 0.5. Now substituting all the known values in the equation, y is equals to ax power b, we are going to get y is equals to 0.5 power into x square. Now that comes to the end of my video assignment. Thank you.